Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another quick mail call to do from PullerBear Ed. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? Alright, so I'm gonna hide just with my finger. I hide Ed's address. I got a letter in the mail from Cleveland, Ohio. Not really sure. That's where it's stamped, Cleveland, Ohio. I got it from PullerBear Ed. Ed is a great guy. I will leave a card up here for you to go check out his channel. I will also leave a couple cards up here. Stretch them out kind of a little bit. To a few of his awesome videos that I liked, that I just couldn't keep my eye off of, that I wanted to just sit there and watch through the whole time, because he does have some pretty entertaining videos. I do. He does a lot of small engine videos, as well as he does a lot of great, simple, easy to make cooking videos, which is pretty awesome as well. I'm gonna peel these tangs up. Okay. There it goes. Awesome. Alright, so Ed sent me a couple stickers. He sent me 2 stickers from Twisted V-Twin Garage. Awesome channel. I will also put a link up here for Twisted V-Twin's Garage as well. I might even just make a separate video on the Twisted V-Twin stickers, just that way if you guys don't want to watch, you know, through 5-minute or whatever video, I can always make a 2 or so minute video of just Twisted V-Twins stickers. And then I got 2 stickers from PullerBear Ed, and I love his design. It's a great design. PullerBear, I absolutely love polar bears. My favorite animal is polar bears. So it is really cool sticker that he made a play on words. Instead of polar, he put puller. He does a lot of tractor pull, stuff like that. So got 2 stickers. Probably going to be putting one on this orange cart, one on the toolbox. Especially for the Twisted V-Twins Garage. I'll also probably put one on this box and one on the toolbox. So these are the stickers that I got from PullerBear Ed. Appreciate you for sending the stickers to me, Ed. Please go check out his channel. He's at like 978 subs at the day and the moment I'm doing this video right now. I'm at 974 subs. Go check out his channel. If you like his content, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon. Doesn't hurt. Click the like button. We would very much appreciate it. I know Ed would appreciate it. We're both heading towards the 1,000 monetization mark. And, you know, tell him that Antonia sent you over. Do appreciate you guys' time. Not going to make this video too long. I will put cards up here for his channel. I'll also more than likely put a couple cards up here as well for Twisted V-Twin Garage. If for you guys, and I'll probably put maybe a card up there for one of his videos as well, so you guys can go check out. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJ Electronics affiliate links, as well as the Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And last but not least, top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as kicks me back 10% off my next order, ulsatools.com. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!